Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining my channel. And today we are going to King Supers to hunt for Pokemon cards. Alright, unfortunately there wasn't anything at King Supers, but now we're at Safeway and let's see if we can get an ETB booster bundle or something. Yeah, this is some good news. Let's take a look. Ah, man. Alright, that's okay, but I am hoping for the best at the last King Supers. Let's see. Green. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. Let me get one of this.
Oh my god.
One of these. And one of these.
It was the last one?
Look.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get my first purchase. Look at that. Okay, when we went to the store, I was tempted at one of the game stores to get that. It was 85. Okay. Look guys. Here, get this done.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna get the whole thing. Please wait.
One more. I cannot believe this. This is like unbelievable. I still don't believe this is real. Alright, I think that's everything.
Let's see what it does.
I cannot believe I bought this at MSRP. This was the pickup. Looks like we got to the lucky one. So they told me to go one more time to one more.
Nice. Don't give up. Oh my god, I cannot believe you got one.
I know. Let's go. Let's get the Zard.
That is amazing. So happy for you, baby.
Thank you. I was saying we got English cards now because the other one we got was Japanese and Korean. So now we have some English cards.
Nice.
So excited to rip this. You have no idea.
Alright, see you later, guys.
All right, everybody. I'm so happy at what I was able to find. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.